Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we are making a taco grilled cheese. Perfect thing to kind of make taco night just a little bit different. All right, in the pan here, I have 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef that I'm going to brown up. Once it's done cooking, I'm going to also drain off all the excess fat. I'm cooking this over medium heat. Takes about roughly, 8-9 minutes to cook. Okay, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, our beef is done. And this is a real easy, you've never cooked anything before and you're kind of wanting to get started. This is like I said, a real easy recipe and a real forgiving recipe. So you want to add 2 packets of taco seasoning mix. You can make your own, but I just decided, screw it, I'm going to be lazy with this and just do the packets. Alrighty, and then the last thing to do is add 1.5 cups of water. And basically you just want to cook this over a medium heat or simmer it over a medium heat until most of the liquid is evaporated. I do usually do a second drain as well for this. But, yeah, outside of that, should be good to go in a little bit. All right, let's jump ahead in time. Okay, so we have a griddle that we've got heated to about, medium heat. And now we're going to add some bread, of course, buttered side down. And when you're making grilled cheese, always use white bread. Grilled cheese is never going to be healthy. Why are you going to try to be healthy with the bread? And then you want to add a slice of American cheese to each of these breads. Then you want to add some of that wonderful taco meat that we made up. I'd say, if I had to guess a measurement, I don't know, 1/4 cup. But I just eyeballed it. And then some more cheese. This is from the bag marked Mexican cheese blend. You can pretty much find this bag any decently sized grocery store in the country. And then you want to add a second slice of American cheese. And finally, let's top the sandwich off with another slice of bread that's been buttered on one side. By the time that you get that second slice on, it should be about time to give these sandwiches a flip. So carefully flip your grilled cheese sandwich. As you can see, it's already nice and golden brown. All right, let's give this another couple of minutes to get golden brown on the other side. Okay. As you can see here, our sandwich is all plated up and ready to go. The only thing left to do, get yourself a knife. And there is some debate whether you should do this with grilled cheese or not, but screw it, I'm doing it. Do the old pull apart. And that's that. A taco grilled cheese sandwich. Done.